Hi everyone, welcome to the UX Exchange Forum. Today we're going to start a brand new series on portfolios. The first thing we're going to talk about is how to design a case study for your portfolio. You want to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on this and all the other exciting topics that we're going to bring for you. That being said, let's get started. To this new series where I'm going to talk about using different platforms to host your portfolio, the all important design portfolio that we need when we're entering the design world. In this series, I'm going to focus on a few different options where you can use a free website. For now, I'm going to start out using Google Sites. It's a simple website. It's sites.google.com. When you enter that, it essentially brings you to this page. You can click on this first shot here where it's got like a plus sign. It opens up a blank, brand new website for you that you can then create. So, the one reason why I like to use Google Sites is you're able to put in your own custom domain name. If you go into the settings section right up top here, you can see that there is a place for you to put in your own custom domain name, which is very different to some other free web hosting sites like Behance and Dribble, uh, where you might have to pay to use your own URL. I'm not sure what it was there, but I remember finding this and thinking, well, this is great. I can put in my own custom domain name. So I'm going to take you into my site that I created a long time back, just to give you an idea about how this works. So you can see on the right hand side here that there are all these different themes that you can work with. And I've gone with the very basic, a plain theme here for my website. What I've done is I have, used for navigation, I used some of my own images, which, when you click on the logo, you can insert whatever design you've created as your website logo. You're also able to add alt text. In this case, I would just put logo for Bhavna Bhargav, UX designer. And having a favicon really helps, for people when they're using various tabs, they can easily see what your site, uh, which one is your site by looking at that. Now, just to let you guys know that my site eventually didn't get created on Google Sites. I've gone with a different platform, which is why you can't see the favicon up here. But I wanted to share that this is another option for people that are interested in using uh, a free website to host, your own uh, portfolio. So I've gone ahead and I have two tabs here, work and about section. And of course, like I said, this was my very first attempt. So this is not something I've eventually used. But you can use the header up here to put in an image. This is the header type that I've gone with. It's a banner, and in the banner you are able to put in a custom image. You can upload, or you can even select an image from their gallery if that's what you choose. So let's say I decided to use theirs. This is a free gallery that Google Sites provides. You can add that if you like, and if you say you're not happy with this, you just reset it. It comes back to whatever their original image was. I also then have inserted some text. You have these different sections that can get moved around. So things here are created in sections. So like there is a section here, or this is the footer, but you can have multiple sections. You're also able to duplicate sections. You're also able to change backgrounds. So, you can play around with this, see what you like. You can even insert, an image if you so desire. And then coming back to my work page here, what I went ahead and I did was I created, of course, my header here, which also shows you the ability to insert some text and insert image. So let me show you how this was done. You essentially get into your header type right here, and this shows you that you're doing a title only. So essentially, this is, uh, you know, uh, title only is for text, but you are able to insert images. Um, if you were to look at the section here, this will show you how to go about. Uh, Actually, if you come up to the right section here, you can see the insert panel, which allows you to insert a text box, which is how I got all of these all of this text in here by the insert text box. I got to put the images here by using the images insertion. You can even embed links, so you can see these highlighted texts here. They are actually my embedded links which connect to my where I have embedded my HTML code for my interactive prototype links. Or similarly, for my video presentation, the logo again is an image that I've inserted. You can, of course, pick from various layout options here, how you would want your section to look. And they have a lot of these different great options. And the good thing with using Google Sites is you can directly insert Google Docs, slides, sheets, forms, charts, any of this. It even allows you to put in a YouTube video, since Google owns YouTube. This is another great way. So again, here what I did was I inserted a text and an image again. So the other good thing here that I liked with Google Sites, and not a lot of places allow you to do this, is if you want to add collapsible text, this is what it would look like. You can then, just on your website, people can see that you have some information, and you only need to click on the down arrow to see the information. So it doesn't clutter up the site right from the word go. That's what I did with that. Yeah, and you should play around with this. Like I said, it's free. It costs nothing to set it up. And then in my next video, I'm going to go over another platform that I had used. And I can't wait to share that with you too.